Virtual companions are essentially a very technical companion, a technical expert, which is sitting next to you, which is helping you learn things, which is teaching you at times how to do things, and which at times is doing things on your behalf.
Aura, Leo, and Marie. Aura being more of a business type companion. Leo is more of engineering oriented, and Marie is more of a scientist.
We have Aura, which is a more colloquial type of companion. Aura has a knowledge related to the industry standards, for instance, or the best practices. And Aura is knowledgeable about, for instance, the working manual of each and every one of our software, and is able to help you guide through the uses of our software very, very effectively.
On the SOLIDWORKS context, in terms of documentation, the help files, the knowledge, the know-how which a user needs, now it'll be on their fingertips.
You can ask it very simple question and it will explore ideas with you. So it is more exploratory in nature. It is open-minded.
Leo is really the engineer, and its model is trained on the science and technology behind the engineering artifacts.
Leo will give you answers which have to be manufacturable. So it is more grounded in manufacturing realities. Marie is like a scientist who is going to give you kind of the scientific formulation of things.
We at SOLIDWORKS understand that well. We understand what the workflow our users are trying to achieve, and we are building our tools so that that context around engineering problems and what they're trying to solve is already inbuilt. So our AI is very engineering context, SOLIDWORKS aware.
What I mean by contextual is that it is sitting right within SOLIDWORKS. You are a SOLIDWORKS user, you know that there is design inside SOLIDWORKS that you are interacting with. You are selecting faces, you are selecting features, and then you are saying, AI or virtual companion, Leo, Aura, Marie, whatever, can you help me do whatever on that particular feature? So it has to be contextual, where our virtual companion understands what's going on in SOLIDWORKS and vice versa. And we believe that in future, you as a user should be able to specify your needs, and out should come a design. That is the vision. It will be a gradual shift, and we will help you through that gradual shift by giving you more and more unique ways of defining that specification. Gradual first, but eventually you'll be able to define the full spec and go from nothing to a beautiful structure without doing any work at all.
So these are the companions, the virtual companions, and I think they will bring the usefulness of our technology to the next level, because fundamentally these companions bring more knowledge.